to Be My Cook, the channel that gives you wonderful homemade, home-cooked meals. Today I have a recipe for you that is for back to school or actually any time of the year. It's called Apricot Crumble bars. Now the best thing about this is you can use different kinds of filling. I used apricot preserves today, but you could use raspberry, strawberry, blueberry, whatever you like, whatever your family likes. So let's get into the video. So let's start our recipe. I have 3/4 of a cup of salted butter in this bowl. I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar. And after we cream these together, I'm going to add 1 egg. So I have 1 1/3 cup of sweetened coconut. I'm going to add that. Now these aren't going to be coconutty, if that's a word, by any means. It's just to give it a little bit more structure and body to these bars. And 1/2 cup of chopped pecans. You can use walnuts too if you want to. I just kind of like the pecans. Let's get this mixed up. These are a great snack for school lunches for the kids. Everybody seems to love these. All right, looks like we are mixed up. Now the other thing that you're going to need is some apricot preserves. We're going to put our apricot preserves on top of this crust once we get it in our 9 by 13 inch pan. Use any kind that you want. Raspberry, strawberry, apricot, they're all good. Now we're going to pour about 2/3 of this mixture into our pan to make our crust. And we're going to leave some of the rest of it for a crumble topping. Let's see, I think that's enough for now. Try to get it in our pan. This is greased, by the way, cooking spray. See if we can press that in. Now these are bars, it's not a big thick cake, so it's not going to be very thick for the bottom. And as soon as I get all this pressed in, I'll show you the next step. So I got it all pressed in our pan. Now I'm just going to add some of our apricot preserves, or whatever preserves you would like, raspberry, strawberry, blueberry, doesn't matter. We're just going to put this on the top, put it all around the crust. Now this is a 18-ounce jar. I'm not going to use all of it, but I do want a good amount on here. I love making back to school recipes. Even though I don't have any kids in school, I still have grandkids. And they love to come to grandma's, see what grandma has made. And I like to share all my recipes with my daughter so she can make these as well. Sometimes the young ones need some really good recipes. Now I'm going to take this and just kind of make a crumble on the top. So you get it. This is so easy. And these are going to taste really good. I know you're going to love this recipe. It doesn't take any time at all. These are great to put in the freezer. Cut them up into bars and put them in a Ziploc bag. Freeze them if you have any left. I wouldn't leave them in there for a year, but you can freeze them for at least a few weeks or a month or so, as long as you have them wrapped up. This looks good. We are done. We're going to get them in the oven at 350 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. So if you like this video, please leave a comment down below. And give this video a like and consider subscribing to my channel. Until next time, bye.